Hello, little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter number 10, that is agriculture in India. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about how the crops are grown in India. We will study about the different types of crop. So, let's study what is agriculture. If we talk about agriculture, so it means cultivation of land. जब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, land को cultivate करता है. What do we call it? Agriculture, right? So, what it involves? Growing crops. हम crops grow कर रहे हैं, like rice, wheat, right? Horticulture, animal husbandry and fish. These all comes under what? Agriculture. So, it is the main occupation and almost 2/3 of the population of India, they are engaged in agriculture. Most of the farmers, they depends upon what? Monsoon for bumper crop. Let's study about the different types of crop. So there are three types of crop grown in India. What are these? Kharif crop, Rabi crop, cash crop or plantation crop. These are the different types of crops that are grown in India. Now Kharif and Rabi, these are the two agriculture season of India for growing food crops. If we talk about people eat food, eat what? Food crop as food. Like we are eating, like हम wheat खा रहे हैं, राइस खा रहे हैं, राइट फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं, वेजिटेबल्स खा रहे हैं. तो what we are eating the food crop as you all know, the food crop which grow during the kharif season are known as kharif crop. Kharif season begin in April until what? It continues till July. And like rice, millet, sugarcane, these all are the kharif crop. When are these crop harvested? They are harvested in winter, and the food crop which is grown during Rabi season are known as Rabi crop. So let's study about Rabi season. When it's begin, Rabi season begins in October and it continues till February. So Rabi crops are wheat, barley, gram, pulses, mustard. And these crops are harvested when they are harvested in summer. So plantation or cash crop, they grow over a period of year for planting the trees or bushes. So tea, coffee, rubber and banana. What are these? These are plantation crop or cash crop. So agriculture जो है, it's one of the major sector in India that what they provide livelihood to the people. Next is let's study about the major crops of India. So as you know that India has a great diversity, mixed climate and so. First is food crop. Food crop, what it provides us? Food we eat like rice, wheat, millet and pulses. What are these? These are the main food crop of it. Then we have rice, which is the most important food crop of India. It's a staple food of the people living in where? In the eastern part and southern part of India. So India's rank is second. अगर हम बात करें इंडिया की रैंक तो second है production of rice. Over 4,000 variety of rice are grown in India. Rice required what? Lot of water. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी की नीड होती है and therefore it is grown in fields full of water. कहाँ पे ग्रो होती है? जहाँ पे पानी ज़्यादा होता है. Availability of water is more. There it grows. And it requires hot and wet climate. And like you know, we have West Bengal, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, they all are the major rice producing states over there. Then we have wheat, which is a Rabi crop, and it is the second most important food crop, and India has ranked fourth in the production of wheat in the world. In India, wheat is a winter crop, and the highest quantity wheat in the country is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. These are the major what wheat producing states in. Next is millets if we talk about. So millets are the coarse grain. ये क्या है? Coarse grain like ज्वार, रागी and bajra. These grains are grown in area where there is not enough water. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा पानी नहीं होता है ये वहाँ पे grow करती है, right? So like we have Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka and Arunachal. Next is pulses. So India is the world largest producer and consumer of pulses. They are grown in dry climate region of India. They are the source of protein in the diet of people. What it include? Lentils. Lentils क्या होती है? दालें होती है like मूंग, मसूर, अरहर, द्राव. Madhya Pradesh is the leading state for the production of what? Pulses. Next is cash crop. The crop which can earn money particularly foreign exchange are known as cash crop like sugarcane, tea, coffee, cotton and jute. These are the cash crop. And these crops earn money through what? Then we had sugarcane. If we talk about sugarcane, leading producer of sugarcane कौन है आपका? India. Like states Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. They play a lead role in the production of sugarcane. And if we talk about sugar and jaggery, some good कहते हैं. They are made from sugarcane. Now tea. What is tea? It's a popular drink in India and abroad. India is the world largest producer of tea. It grows well in hot and wet climate. कैसे? Hot और wet climate में अच्छे से grow करती है. It is grown in mountains and hill slopes of Assam, West Bengal and Tripura. Then we have coffee. If we talk about coffee, it is the second most popular drink of India. India exports coffee. It is grown in South India, state like Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. And if we talk about hill slopes are suitable for coffee planting. Here are some hill slopes that are suitable for growing on for coffee plantation. Now cotton. What is cotton? It's a fiber crop. It is used to make clothes. It is the most important cash crop intake. It is grown in the black soil of Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Jute, it's also a fiber crop. It's a cash crop of East India. And it is also known as golden fiber. Why it is called golden fiber? Because of its color. It's neither climate, wet and hot climate, right? West Bengal, Bihar and Odisha are the major producer of jutes. Ropes, bags and carpets are made from jute. Now oilseeds. Oilseeds include mustard, groundnut, linseed, sesame and sunflower. They are grown in different parts of the country. The oil extracted from these oilseeds is called vegetable oil. इनका हम यूज करते हैं काइनिक कुकिंग में, right? Next we have plantation crop. So let's talk about plantation. Like we have rubber and spices. These are the plantation crop. They are grown in special farms. आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे? Special farm. Rubber, it's a plantation crop. Rubber is produced from latex that is extracted from the trunk of tree. Rubber is planted in the states of Kerala, आपको कर्नाटका and Tamil Nadu. ये कुछ states है आपको देखने को मिलेगा. And rubber is used to make tires, mattress and footwear. Right? Next is spices, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. They are the spices that are known here. And India is best known for the what level of spices. Next is irrigation. What it is? The artificial use of water to grow crop is irrigation. It depends upon seasonal rain such as monsoon rain. If the rains are early, late or not enough, the crops often fall. Today, farmers are encouraged to use different methods of irrigation and not depend on the monsoon. And the method of irrigation, what it's include? Wells, tube wells. In South India, if we talk about, rainwater is collected in tanks and it is used for irrigation. So, canal irrigation is also common in India. If we talk about canal irrigation, आपने देखा होगा ये बहुत ज़्यादा common भी है आपके इंडिया में. Right? Green Revolution, it is rightly said that slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. And the government of India gave good seeds, modern farming machine, fertilizer to farmer during the launch of Green Revolution. The farmers were able to grow better and more crop, and there was a huge increase in the wheat production in India since 1970. What? Due to Green Revolution. Livestock, if we talk about livestock, what are these? These are an important part of farm. India is 1/6 of the world cattle population. Oxen and bullocks help the farmer to what? Plow the land and move the water. Goats and sheep give meat. Animal skin is used to make leather. We get wool from sheep. Cattle waste is used as manure and to produce biogas. Uttar Pradesh is a leader in the cattle rearing. Sheep are reared in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Goats, what we call them, Kuwar's man's cow. They are reared in the Bihar, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. If we talk about buffaloes and cows, they are reared in what? Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Now, we get milk and meat from them, and many veterinary hospitals has been opened by the government for providing the best medical treatment for the health of animal. New breeds of cattle have also been आपने देखा होगा नई breed भी क्या कर दी गई हमने introduce कर दी गई. Rearing of animal for milk is called dairy farm, right? Operation Flood was a rural program started in 1997. It made India the largest producer of milk and milk products. And what we call it, white revolution in India. Like Gujarat-based and Anand Milk Union Limited are also called Amul because dairy company during this time. Today, India is the second largest producer of milk in the world after USA, right? Hope you understood the chapter. Now, a chapter has been completed. Now, we will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you for learning with me and let's enjoy.